Hi, second grade. Today you're getting a white piece of paper, pencil, and there will be some Sharpies at your table. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to write your name on your paper and your second grade and the initial of your teacher. Then you can flip that over. We are going to draw a fall landscape, and we talked about placement, so we're going to fill up the composition with from edge to edge with different things. Okay, so on the corner of your paper, we are going to draw in the foreground, which means in the front, a bush. Then from that bush, we're going to draw a little hill. In front of that little line on the little hill, we are going to draw a tree trunk. You can give it as many branches as you want. I'm going to keep mine pretty simple. You can go ahead and erase this line. I'll have erasers in the baskets. And now it looks like the tree is standing on the hill. Then we're going to go and we are going to give the tree some foliage, which means leaves and things like that, because we're making a fall scene. All the way to the edge of the paper. Then in the middle ground, which is the center of the page, in the middle, we're going to draw a smaller bush because it's further away. As things get further away, they get smaller. And then we're going to think about leaves falling from the sky. So you can draw some leaves that are kind of larger. Those will look like they're up close. And some a little bit medium size. Those will look like they're further away. And then all of the little leaves that might be falling from the trees, you can draw those too as they're dropping from the sky, filling up the page. As they get closer to you, they're bigger, and when they're further away, they're smaller. You can change the shape of your leaves too. If you don't want to make them like this, you can actually try to draw like the oak leaves, which are rounded like this. Or any other leaves you remember the shape of from outside. After it is done with pencil, we are then going to take our Sharpies and we're going to outline it. So you'll take your time and make your pencil lines nice and black. When you are done outlining, it goes in your colored folder because next time we're going to use some crayons to add some texture and some fall color. So we are going to outline with black Sharpie. At the end of class, after everything is outlined, I want you to make sure that the cap is on really well on your Sharpie. In fact, while you're using your Sharpie, make sure that it's really close nearby, or even better, you can put it on the back end of the marker and then you won't lose it. It's really bad when we lose the caps because the markers dry out and then we have to throw them away. So the better we take care of our tools, the longer they will last. So every pencil line that you drew is then going to be outlined. Okay? So in the folder they go. Cap the markers. Thank you for listening.